Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any series and or any Android version like 13, 14, 15 or 16. And if your Samsung phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and you had hard resetted of your phone, then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome option, language option, start button and emergency call button. From here, let's start with the start button and let's check after the factory data or hard reset either your phone has been unlocked or not. So make sure your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So here you can see I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Then after, you have to tap on this next option. So here you can see it's still locked by the pin pattern or password lock what you had applied to your phone. But here you will get another option that will show here use my Google account. Instead, you have to tap on this option. When you will tap on this option, you can see here it's asking your Gmail ID and password what you had applied when your phone was new, when your phone was not locked. So if you have remember your phone Gmail ID and password, you can easily feed your Gmail ID and password and go through the next option. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you're not getting any skip option in this space. So this phone is locked due to FRP lock, and here I will tell you how you can bypass this Gmail ID credential with the help of FRP bypass method. So first of all, you can see here when you will go to the next option, it's not let you go to the next page here. Okay, for this simply you have to go to the back and come to the starting page here. From here you have to make some changes with your phone. First of all, you'll have to change your language. From here you'll have to change your language from English India to English US. Okay, because you know that the Google is from US. Then after, you have to tap on this emergency call. When you will tap on this emergency call, you have to dial a USSD, that is star triple two, that is star one star double zero, then hash. You have to tap this USSD and you have to tap on this call option. When you will tap on this call option, the USSD number will disappear. You can see here. Now after that, you have to type again and another USSD, that is star hash zero star hash. When you will type this USSD star hash zero star hash, you will get some option on your phone page, and here you will get an option that will show here sensor option. You have to tap on this one. When you will tap on this sensor option, you will get some synchronizing option on your phone display. But here you will get an option that will show here gyroscope sensor. You will get a option that will show here display. You have to tap on this one. When you will tap on this one, you will get some data on your phone display from starting to end of your page. But here you will have to wait until you get 10 records on your phone display. Minimum 10 records, maximum there is no limit. When you get the 10 records on your phone display, simply you have to go to the back option and come to the starting page here. Now again you have to tap on this start option and go to the agree to all and agree from here. Now from here you have to tap on this agree option. Now after that, when you will come on this page, that is the page is Wi-Fi network page, here you will have to switch on your talkback option, and to switch on your talkback option you have to press the volume up button and the power button, press hold and release. From here you have to tap on this use and do the again. Now from here you have to draw a opposite L like this. You have to double tap on this while using the app. You have to double tap on this use voice command. Open Google Assistant. Open settings.
Tap to dismiss assistant. Open settings below.
Open settings.
Voice search button.
Open settings.
Opening settings. Settings.
When the setting page will appear on your phone display, you have to switch off your talkback option.
Talkback off.
Now you have to make some changes in your setting page. First of all, you have to scroll down and you can get here that is lock screen option. You have to tap on this one. Now you can see here the first option is showing here lock screen type, and you can see here showing lock screen type is swipe. But when you will tap on this option, you can see here it's not working. So don't worry at all. Simply you have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here about lock screen option. You have to tap on this one, and you have to tap on this open source license option. And here you will get a lots of text on your phone display, but here you will have to copy a URL. You will get a URL on your page, and you have to copy this one. Now after that, simply you have to go to the back option and you have to exit from the setting page. Now from here you have to tap on this add network option, and here you have to make some changes. Simply you have to tap on this and you have to tap on this one and change from here. Here you have to make some changes, and in the gateway you have to repeat the same as it is. Here you have to type as it is whatever is showing on your display. Now after that you will get a setting option. Here you have to tap on this one, and first of all you have to scroll down and reset all the settings from here. After that, go to the back option and change the language again from here, and switch off this one. Go to back. Now scroll down, come to the option text shortcut, paste that URL what you had copied, type that USSD what you had used, then add. Now go to the back, and all the things has been done. Go to the back option, back, come to the starting page here. Now again start from here. Let's check your FRP lock has been removed or not. Go to the agree, tap on this next option. Now select this don't copy. Skip from here. So now here you can see where the Gmail ID and password was asking to unlock your FRP. Now you are getting here a skip option. It means you don't need to remember your Gmail ID and password. Now you can easily tap on this skip option and go to the next page. Now it's a simple set up your phone. After the FRP bypass, you can easily set up your phone. Make sure use a new pin pattern or password lock when it will ask.